that we are just consolidating, moving sideways. We have gotten rejected already. Let's look at the 15-minute candles. You understand when I tell you that we're moving sideways? This is consolidation. I'm not doing anything. What you do with your money is up to you. There's nothing for me to do right now. This is nothing here is impressive to me at all. Right? Not as long as we're moving sideways. I need to see 2 candles above 21,482. $50,000 is what I'm putting in the market if I see that. If this comes down and it hits 19.5, 2 candles. One to hit 19.5 to say, yup, support. Another one to confirm that it's support. Then you can be looking for an uptrend to go up. If it breaks 19.5, congratulations. Some people like me help you out when they're going to deploy capital. And $50,000 is really not a small amount of money, to be honest with you. It's pretty significant. I'm telling you when I'm going to put $50,000 in, if that happens. If it doesn't happen, then I'm just chilling. All right, let's go ahead and look at the S&P 500 real quick, and you can see what we're doing here. You can see what we're doing here on my S&P 500. Is anything crazy happening on this right now, right? Let's look at it. All right. Nothing to do here either. Look, the S&P is falling down. It's been crashing. For anybody who's never seen this chart before, the S&P 500 has been crashing down since January of last year, January 22nd, and it has been crashing down. You see my trend line? We have not been able to break this trend line, right? Rejection, crash, rejection, crash, rejection, crash, rejection, rejection. Let me zoom in on it so I can show y'all. We've been rejected 3 times off of this trend line. We came up here just now. Look, that was December, rejection. Tried it again, December 13th, rejection. Tried it 2 times here, literally, January 17th and 18th, rejected. We literally tried to break through the trend line here, and the market is going boom, 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 boom. Oh my God, look at this, look at this. This is called a God candle in reverse. We literally tried to break this trend line, and it is not happening. Red candles move this way, green candles move that way. It is crashing down right now in front of you. That rejection line, that trend line that I drew from January 22nd, January 2022 is extremely potent. The S&P cannot break it right now. So what in the world makes you think that Bitcoin is going to remain bullish if that S&P is not? Bitcoin is treated like a tech stock, you know. People who have a lot of money in tech stocks, they treat Bitcoin like a tech stock. And S&P 500 is continuing to crash. You might want to take note of that and err to caution that this is not something that you should be playing around with. Okay? Just want to make sure I make it very clear to people. S&P 500 is still crashing. And some of the best analysts in the world, and I'm talking about the ones in New York, is telling you that the S&P is coming down to 3,000. I know some of y'all don't know what that means, but I'm going to just show you the information first, and then I'm going to show you what it looks like on the chart, because you'll respect it a lot more when you see it on the chart. I want to see here, Goldman Sachs. Goldman Sachs. S&P to 3,000. Ouch. Look. They're telling y'all this in 2022, and they're still telling you this. Look, Goldman Sachs cuts your S&P 500 target to 3,600. Then you got down here, they're telling you that the S&P could drop another 22%. This was 1 day ago. Listen, this is on Forbes.com. Recession could tank the S&P another 22%. Look what it says here. Michael Wilson predicted the S&P may decline to as low as 3,000. Let me show you what this information right here looks like on the charts. Pay attention. There's 2 things we need to pay attention to. 22%, if this was done 1 day ago, I'm going to show you where 22% is, and I'm also going to show you where 3,000 is. Pay attention. Right now, the S&P 500 is at 3928. So this red line This red dotted line is where it is right now, right? Well, let's go down here and let's see what 22% is from this red line. From where it is right now, which was a day ago, and we're still in it. Let's drop this down 22%. Oh, there's 22% right there. That's good enough. Y'all spot me 0.02. If they're telling you that the S&P 500 is going to drop down another 22%, that is going to put you down here at about 3,000. Is that true? For my audience, when I was charting this out for them, and I have receipts, I screenshotted this stuff for them, I told them we was coming down 18%. I'm not as good as the people in New York, but I'm pretty damn good. I said 18.27. They're telling you 22. But I want to remind you though, I want to remind you, I called that back here. So let's see where this is, 22% from where I called it. My rejection was right here when I called it. Let's see 22% from my rejection. Let's see how far that puts us. 22%. That would have put us right here at about, spot me 0.03. Spot me 0.03, y'all. That would have put us at about 3171. So I'm about 171 points off for what some of the best people in the world are calling. That means I'm pretty damn good, is what I'm trying to tell you. So if I got the S&P coming down and I was calling 18% and they're telling me 22, you might want to listen to one of us, either me or them, but it's coming down. It's coming down. And if Bitcoin is traded like a tech stock, the crypto is going to come down. And if Bitcoin controls 99% of what happens to altcoins, your altcoin positions are coming down. Some of y'all don't believe that, but let me explain it to you right now, just so you want to, back that up. This candle right here, this one for today, came crashing down. This is Bitcoin crashing, and that's why you see all these altcoins crashing. Because Bitcoin crashing down, it will pull the altcoins down with it, right? If we look at the weekly candle, it's going to be green, peep game, right? This weekly candle right here, this joint right here just went crazy. Boom, craziness, right? That's why you see all of this on the weekly. That's why you see all of those green. Bitcoin went crazy and it pulled all the altcoins up with it. Is that true? But look at what we're doing right now for this weekly candle. You can look at it. Don't be afraid to look at it. What color is that? This weekly candle is red. For those of you saying, oh, the market is bullish and we won't be able, you better hope this reverse and it start turning green so that we can get back above this. But this has been rejected for the week and it is coming down. This is a weekly candle. That means 7 days worth of trading volume is happening. Is that true? No. You cannot see a week of nothing but altcoins go absolutely crazy and don't think people aren't going to take their profits. They are. They're going to take their profits. And that's where you're going to start seeing the market come back down. It's got to be a reversal. Nothing goes straight up forever. Nothing goes straight down forever. So if you see the market going crazy up, then you notice somebody's getting rich, and only for them to get rich, they have to sell their assets back into the marketplace. That means they have to take profits. They have to take the liquidity back out of the market.